Built in 1933, this steel bridge spans 800 feet across the River Foyle in Ireland. Pigeons had been nesting and roosting on the superstructure of the bridge for a number of years. After complaints that droppings on the sidewalks and railings were causing a health and safety hazard, the local government asked the Department of Infrastructure to look into solutions. As the bridge is listed as a historic structure, the department needed to find a solution that would solve the problem and at the same time was unobtrusive. Starting in July 2022, the bridge was cleaned and disinfected, and optical gel discs were glued to all surfaces on which pigeons had been nesting or roosting. On the 11th of August, when the work was nearing completion, we inspected the bridge together with Robin Cuddy, the senior engineer responsible for the bridge, and asked him about his observations.
It's interesting, just this morning when I was walking over the completed section, how clean the footway is. It's been swept now 3 weeks and there's no sign of any fouling. Another interesting observation was that there was some pigeons attempted to come in to roost, but quickly flew on away again.
Visit birdbarrier.com to find out more. For further updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel.